Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, Sekafet. Hope everybody is doing well. To all my subscribers, thank you. And if you're new to this channel, welcome, darling. So guys, today we are trying out feeding cornrows. This is actually my first time doing this style, so please bear with us, sister. This is not my first time combing this hairstyle. This is actually my first time doing this hairstyle on myself. Right now, you're seeing me trying to perfect the parting. Let me tell you, sis, I legit probably parted my hair over 15 times. You could see me using a mirror and really trying. I am struggling out here to share this hair. So you're seeing me just trying to look to the back of my head to see what's happening because I'm not seeing anything. And all I could tell you, sis, if you're having difficulties with parting your hair, is to keep trying. Just keep on doing it. Just keep on sharing in the same area until it looks straight, until it looks clean. So I parted my hair in 2 halves, and then I parted each half into 2 halves again. After which I go on to plait each section, just ensuring that everything is kept away securely so that when I go ahead to do my cornrows, that the hair doesn't come into, doesn't tangle up or intertwine, if you know what I mean. So I'm using the Expressions Premium Braids. It's literally just come in a packet with 3 single bundles. I used a pack and I would say a third. I did not even use a pack and a half, which was good. My shine and jam, but Hunty, I am low on this jam, so I was not at this point. I was not even sure if it would have done my entire hair, which it did not. I ended up having to complete it with my sisters, as you will see later on. I had to find jam somewhere, but I would advise you to get shine and jam, especially if you have my texture hair, because our flyaways, the struggle is real. Okay, so just ensure that you have enough jam to just slick down this flyaway. When you put the gel, ensure that you press down the gel onto your hair so it comes out neatly, So you're seeing me checking what I'm doing. I don't know, bruh. Listen, I was just pressing, checking. I'm not seeing to the back of my head, so the struggle was just real. So yeah, we are done with one plait. I was satisfied with this plait, and then I just continued going ahead with the rest, so you could take a look at that. Overall, to me, doing this style, it took me roughly about 4 hours, maybe because I spent too much time trying to pat my hair, but yeah, I just spent a lot of time trying to get my parting done properly. So yeah, I find it's a very cute quarantine style. It's manageable if you already know how to braid. I'm gonna try to break down feeding braids to the best of my ability later on, but yeah, overall I really enjoyed it, and I hope you do enjoy this style as well. Now, for feeding braids, you need to start with very small portions of braid, and then you increase the size as you go along. So you could see me right here taking out the smaller portions. I'm just taking on equal size. Now listen, I don't have any braiding shelf. I did one kind of makeshift thing next to me with my broomstick, trying to put the braids in order. Having it in order is super helpful because your hand is tangled up in your hair, and so you want to ensure you get something to rest the braid on. I just use my broomstick, DIY, yeah. So you start off, and I'm gonna slow down this part. So you start off by normal cornrow, and then you add a piece, and you kind of cornrow the piece. So you add the piece on top of your thumb. You slide it underneath your rest of your fingers, and you braid that part down, and then you just slide the remainder part underneath, so it just hides it that way. I know that some people do it by inputting it underneath, but I just do it from the top. you know. So again, you just send it on top, use your little finger to grab it onto it, slide it underneath your thumb, and then you braid down that section and then pull the section back underneath your rest of your fingers. I mean, if you can't cornrow, then you maybe won't understand what I'm saying. But if you can cornrow, then you would understand exactly what I mean by slide it to meet your rest of your fingers, because there's always a dominant hand in cornrowing. If you would like me to do a detailed tutorial on cornrowing, please leave me a comment down in the description. We could cook that up. Now when I get to the end of the braid, I am adding on an extra piece. As you can see, I'm adding on an extra piece to lengthen the braid because it's a bit short. So you need to just add on a braid to just lengthen it. When you're adding on a braid, it's simply like you're continuing the plait. So you just continue the plait. Again, I know this is not a beginner friendly tutorial, but if you do want a beginner friendly tutorial on like feeding cornrows, like we could do another style later on after I take this down, and I could try break it down slow as possible for those of you all who are interested. Just see me doing some baby hairs, and I legit, listen, this is actually my first time trying out edge booster, and sis, let me explain something to you. I know I have not been on planet Earth for a while, but this thing, I have not had an edge control, an edge booster, whatever it is, keep down my edges like this thing. It is fire. It's a little white when it's drying, but it's nothing like so visible. Like it's not white like flour. Like it's not white. You know, you could just spray some sheen over it or like use a water-based gel and that goes away. But it keeps down your edges. You can see me there playing around in my edges because like I was like so impressed with this edge booster. You know, I had the edge booster in the flavor sweet peach and it is fire. After this, I'm using my Garnier Mousse and I'm just going to seal everything. You know, mousse is very good. It helps with any flyaways that you have left over. And you just put that all over the braids. And that is it, my people. I went on off camera to just put the ends in hot water. And I tied down everything to let that seal in. And I did my makeup. Ooh, flicky. So we've done our makeup and I'm just gonna remove the styling strip and let us see what it looks like. Oh, I tell you, this is fire. Look at that. Come through, edge booster. Woo! So guys, this is it. This is the style, simple quarantine style. It's just fitting cornrows with our natural hair. Always there for just natural hairstyles. We could do very common style and just doing for my first time. What do you think? How do you like it? Go ahead, hit me up in the comments and let me know if you like it. You can see me doing my Slayer dance. Always gotta put in my Slayer dance, boo. So guys, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, like, leave a comment down below, share. You know, I really think if you try it out, you will be surprised at your results. So if you do attempt this hairstyle, don't be afraid to DM me, don't be afraid to hit me up and let me know that you tried it. Show me your results. Thank you again, guys. Catch you on the next one.